Turn that around for a second. Okay. All right, so we just came back to a room here at the Marriott, and we met some amazing people that are giving us firsthand information of some updates. So that is why I'm coming on. All right. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Fine, and you?
I forgot to even get your name.
It's okay. My name is Mathieu Saint-Jean. I'm the coordinator of Gatineau and Laurentide on the North Shore of Ottawa, and I'm the candidate of the last election in Gatineau.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So you have some new information for us that you verified is true about the whole fuel.
Yeah, exactly. So Samuel Grenier is a French influencer in Quebec, very known. And he talked with, just for a second, I forgot his name, Francis Picard, that the truckers will be refueled by an obscure law that allowed firemen or volunteers firemen to refuel the truckers. Mm-hmm. So it's just been told that this is a valid information, and we're asking for every fireman, volunteers fireman or fireman, I don't know what to do today, to come to the stadium of Ottawa and see Francis for helping out to refuel the truckers.
Okay, so volunteer firefighters are allowed to refuel the trucks without any pushback.
Yeah.
You're sending them to the Ottawa Stadium? Is that like the baseball field?
The baseball field, yeah,
okay.
yeah. Where there was a raid yesterday.
200 Coventry.
Oh,
yeah.
Coventry. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Thank you very much.
Yes.
200,
Okay.
200,
I think it's 302 Coventry.
203 Coventry.
Either way, Coventry.
You can miss it.
Coventry, the baseball
Lot of trucks
field,
hanging
wherever
around.
it is, Coventry, you'll find it.
And
And report to Francis?
Francis or Tiger.
Or Tiger,
Yeah.
okay. And then you also had some other information that wasn't as verified, but a rumor that seems to be...
It's a rumor. I have to validate it. Right now I'm trying to reach people to validate the information, but it's been stated by a judge that the police officer yesterday did unlawful Caesar, thank you very much. And they have to return all fuel tanks and propane tanks at the exact point that they have took it.
Yeah,
So they cannot just drop it at the corner of street and says, come and take it, you know. They have to put it back where they took it. Okay. So that's a rumor. It's been told on Samuel Grenier show just like an hour ago. I have to validate with Francis or Tiger at this time and space, but I think it's true because Samuel Grenier is a well-known influencer in French Quebec, and when he says something, it's valid. So.
Okay. So all fuel that was taken needs to be returned. Hopefully, this is true.
Yeah. So here we go again. If you're a fireman or volunteer fireman, come and see us, and we'll refuel all the truckers and the cars that are still in the convoy.
So awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome news.